This is going to be a video tutorial on how to clear your history, cookies, and cache in the Arc web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Arc web browser opened up now. To clear your history, cookies, and cache in the Arc browser, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner, up to the little Arc logo. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now in this dialog box that opens up, in the Profiles area, you want to click on your profile. Then toward the bottom, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Now on this page that opens up, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to make sure you're on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, the very top thing, Delete browsing data, delete history, cookies, cache, and more. I'm going to click on that. That brings up another little dialog box, and at the top you have two tabs, Basic or Advanced. Under the Basic, if you want to go with that one, you would select your time range. You just click this drop down. Last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks are all time. If you wanted to completely clear out your cache, you would select all time. But then you would go through and you would select whatever you want to clear. Do you want to clear your browsing history, your cookies and other site data, cached images and files? You would just check or uncheck these boxes. Under the Advanced tab, if you wanted to do that one, it just gives you more options. You would choose your time range. Then you would go down and you would select from any one of these options. It adds password and other sign-in data. If you wanted to clear that, you would check that. Autofill form data, site settings, hosted app data, and when you're done you just go down to the bottom and you would click on delete data. That is how to clear your history, cookies, and cache in the Arc web browser. Thanks for watching.